Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. The Expert way of learning gives flexibility to learn the course at your own pace and convenience. Our goal is to give you the best learning experience with greater efficiency. Today, cloud computing applications are growing rapidly and helping several businesses succeed in their venture. Azure is a cloud computing platform with solutions including infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service that can be used for services such as analytics, virtual computing, storage, networking, and much more. ExpertWorks has custom designed a self-paced course on Microsoft Azure with real-time content, which helps you position yourself well in this highly competitive industry. Let's see more details about the course in the following animation video.
Microsoft Azure is one of the most popular cloud computing services. Microsoft created it to test, build, deploy, and manage services and applications through Microsoft Managed Data Centers. Azure is mostly used as a platform for hosting databases in the cloud. One of the most popular uses for Microsoft Azure includes running virtual machines and containers in the cloud and backup and disaster recovery. Many organizations use Azure Storage as an archive to meet their long-term data retention requirements. Microsoft Azure offers its services in different categories like compute, storage, web, mobile, analytics, integration, identity, media and content delivery network, security, development, databases, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, and many more.
Hope you have a great time going forward. Never stop learning.